one way or another. I'm gonna find ya. I'm gonna get you one way or another.
Hello everyone! So in this video we're going to tell you guys all of our February favorites. Finally, we are so late. So let's start. I don't know. We have to choose 3, but I just have like 3. Okay, I have 3. So I love this Believe acoustic version by Justin Bieber. I just love every single song there. It's just so perfect. And the second is Take Me Home by One Direction. Is just a must for me because their new album, the Take Me Home, is not so boring. It's not as boring as their Up All Night. I don't know. I just think it that way. And then the third one is Overexposed by Maroon 5. I know maybe this is a little bit old, but I still love the Wipe Your Eyes and then Lucky Strike because it's just so catchy and I love every single song there, especially Daylight because I just love Daylight to death. The first one is Don't Panic by All Time Low, Believe acoustic by Justin Bieber, and Overexposed by Maroon 5.
I love many of them, but I have to mention 3. The first one is Believe acoustic by Justin Bieber, and the second is Paramore, the brand new album Paramore, and the third one is still Take Me Home.
I have a lot, but I have to choose 4. Come on. And then the first one is obviously this song from will.i.am, Drop It Low. I don't know, it's just so lame, but I just love Drop It Low by will.i.am. And then I love Daylight, of course. I love Daylight. Stop! And then I love Between the Raindrops because it is my alarm song. That song has been my alarm for this February. I love every single song in Rio. I just love every single song. The most loved one by me in this February. Hot Wings by Jamie Foxx, will.i.am, and a bit of Anne Hathaway because she was like Laya only. You know? Hot Wings is Rio soundtrack for you guys who don't know. And Mirrors by Justin Timberlake. It's so freaking long song by Justin Timberlake from his new album. Second single from his new album. My Songs Know What You Did in the Dark by Fall Out Boy.
I love Demi Lovato for the Heart Attack, One Direction, One Way or Another, Justin Bieber, Thought of You.
I love One Way or Another too!
Or Justin Bieber, Thought of You. And the last one is Paramore Now. You have to listen four of it. So you're not ready.
Milk tea here in our canteen, but I didn't buy milk tea because the tea is over. Has sold out and I got this. I love my earphones, love my hair accessories because I have a really big hair. I have a really massive hair and then I just feel like I have to put these babies on.
I don't know, probably I'm being very random, but my favorite stuff. The first is milk, second is mayonnaise, and the third is bracelet. This is my bracelet here. Okay. I love Tumblr. Great. I have Tumblr and I love chocolate. YouTube. I love YouTubing. My tissue because I got a flu.
My first one is definitely Rio because I've been watching this movie lately in the month of February, and then I don't know, it's just an old movie, but I love it so much because it's just so cool. Like Anne Hathaway, will.i.am in one movie. Oh my god! Oh, The Voice Indonesia because I hate X Factor here. Not liar, liar. And then, I've been watching Finding Nemo lately.
First, Diary of Wimpy Kid series. The first one, the second one, and the third one. It's so. Kung Fu Panda series. The first one and the second one is so. And Ria! I don't know why I love the movie so much. It's all about the birds. I love birds. The last one is my favorite TV show. It's Opera from Jungkook. Please check that out because I love that.
The first one is still CSI New York, and the second one is The Voice Indonesia. It's more fun than the other one in Indonesia, not in the other Indonesian version. Louder! Sunny with a change.
It's over already.
I know it's over already, but I love to watch it on YouTube. And the movie, I just have one. It's A Good Day to Die Hard. I don't watch it. I don't watch it, but I'm about to watch it. I've been loving my shampoo and conditioner. It's by Pantene, the Hairful Huma. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner because all Pantene smells like the same, and I love all Pantene, so every single Pantene I love them. And then I love eyeliner, not liquid, creamy eyeliner from MAC. I don't know if this is the real MAC or not, but it's just, I just love it. I just love this eyeliner. And then my mom actually just bought a kit, like a big kit like this big, but it's just like this. This kit includes lip color, powder. Stop doing such a silly thing! Don't you know that Anissa right here, the veil one, just went down here, you know? Oh my god. So my mom just bought a kit by Oriflame. It cost like $60, but she got it for $20. And it includes a massive ton of eyeshadows. Beauty stuff. B&B Splash Combo Blissful with Tweety picture in the case. And the second is Garnier Light Complete Moisturizer. I use it right now, but you can see it. And the third one is my favorite shampoo and conditioner, Pantene Hair Control. Typesetter, path, and then photo crop, because here in Apple you cannot crop a photo properly. You can crop it, but when you put it on your computer, it's not cropped.
Glowokey. I've been playing the application for this last 2 days. So it's February 2, right? So it's February 2. Okay. I don't have any application favorites because I use the old one phone, old version of phone, not like Anissa or Katrina has. So that's all for our February favorites. I can't believe it's over. No, I mean it's just 28. It's just 28 days. I mean I don't feel like this is a full month. Okay, so thank you guys for watching.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Because that's our favorite thing you should do.
Give us a single like. Oh, what is your favorite person for this month?
Favorite person.
Ellen DeGeneres. Really? Ellen DeGeneres. I don't know what's wrong with you, bro. Ellen DeGeneres.
I am confused. You last name. I mean, are you going to use the Rosie or the Generous? Like, which one was the guy?
Yeah, like which one? Ellen the Rosie or Portia the Generous? I don't know. But I love you, Ellen.
There's
You go, girl. You go.
I just want to congratulate Jennifer Lawrence.
Yeah, for the Oscar. The accident that you fell on the stage, probably the ground wants to hug you.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Jennifer.
So thank you for watching.
Bye.
Like our whatever. Bye.
Kan yang bagus cuma gue doang.